In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Xero. To get started, open Xero and make sure you are on the main dashboard. From there, look to the top menu and click on Sales. This is where Xero groups together several tools related to selling, invoicing, and managing the items you offer to customers. Once the drop-down menu appears, select Products and Services. This section is important because it lets you create and manage the individual items your business buys, sells, or keeps in stock. After you are in the Products and Services area, go to the top right-hand side of the screen and click New Item. This is where you will create a new inventory item inside Xero. When setting up a new item, one of the most important things to do is make sure you check the Track Inventory Item box. This setting tells Xero that the item should be treated as stock that you physically hold and monitor over time. Checking that box is what enables Xero to automatically update your quantity on hand. In simple terms, quantity on hand is the number of units you currently have in stock. This is extremely useful because it helps you keep accurate inventory records without needing to manually adjust quantities every time something is bought or sold. Once inventory tracking is turned on for the item, Xero can automate the stock movement for you as you use your normal accounting workflow. For example, when you create a purchase bill for that item, Xero increases your stock quantity. That means every time you record that you've purchased more units from a supplier, your inventory level goes up automatically. On the other hand, when you create a sales invoice for that same item, Xero reduces your stock quantity. This ensures that your inventory count reflects what has actually been sold to customers. This automation is one of the biggest advantages of using inventory tracking in Xero. It helps reduce manual work, improves accuracy, and gives you a clearer view of what's currently in stock. A helpful tip is to make sure you only enable inventory tracking for items you want Xero to count automatically, especially if you sell a mix of physical products and non-stock services. By following this process, you can keep your inventory records more organized and make day-to-day stock management much easier inside Xero. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.